So welcome. I just came back from an interview. So I'm ready for a smoothie, which I usually have in the morning, but I was thinking an afternoon smoothie would be great. So I have here some frozen strawberries and bananas. So I'm just going to open this from Whole Foods. I just pour some in here, about a cup or so. And then I have a little bit of kefir, the mango flavored, and I put just like a tablespoon, or it's kind of a distinctive flavor. So if you want less of that, that's fine, or more, it's your preference. It's really good with active cultures in there, really important for gut health. And then I have some organic peanut butter. So I'm just having a few spoons of this, about, I would say about 2 teaspoons worth. And then almond vanilla milk. So some chia to get the vitamins and the fiber. And the antioxidants, about a teaspoon of that, some cinnamon, and then I have these yummy bananas, I think, to add a little bit more sweetness, because I'm also making this with my daughter mine. I'll add another banana. These are going kind of ripe, so ripened bananas will make it even sweeter, which she has definitely a sweet tooth, and so do I. There we go, and putting that in the trash can. And now here we go. Let's see here. I think I'll add just a little bit more ice. So here I have my ice maker. I'm just adding a little bit more ice. So a little bit of ice to have. Okie doke. There we go. Now we're going to blend away. Banana, strawberry. I love those net rolls. Are so great way to release tension, and it just feels so good. You could do the shoulder rolls. It's really great to like move around throughout the day. And this came out more kind of like a yogurt smoothie, thicker there. So if you want it more watery, and more water and more almond milk, vanilla milk, but I'm in the mood for something a little thicker, so let's see how this turns out. Delicious. You can taste the peanut butter in there too, so if you're a fan of peanut butter, this is a delicious smoothie. Remember, a smoothie day keeps the doctor away. Enjoy.